Alright, welcome back to another video. So this is a quick one today. I just got done installing an iDatastart remote start on my 2017 CR-V. Now I'm programming the long range. These are two-way one button remotes, but this is the same procedure for if you have like a 5-button remote. So what we're going to be doing is programming these remotes. To do this, basically going to take our ignition key. You see we have our receiver right here with the button. We're going to turn it to on. Press the button once, and then we're going to press and hold the button. Then we're going to hit the lock button. Okay, now we're still continuing to hold. I'm going to hit this button. Okay, now we'll release, and then turn the ignition off. So again, we're going to press once, press and hold till the lights come on, tap these buttons, just one quick tap, and your lights will flash. And then when you're done, release, turn the key off. So now, see buttons, if we press them once, we'll lock the doors, twice, unlock the doors. If we press and hold, we get our remote start. Alright, so that's all there is to it, but it's a little tricky, and they don't publish the instructions anywhere because they want you to be a certified installer to be able to work on your car. Alright, hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I have a link in the description where you can buy these remotes. Till next time, we'll see you later.